Hi, I'm Penguin.
And I'm Exiled Surfer. Today we're going to tell you about our new NFT marketplace, Droppr.
Droppr is a chain agnostic NFT marketplace that aims to become one of the first Bitcoin native NFT platforms. We're active builders in the space now working together for this common goal. During the hackathon, we used Morales NFT storage to create an easy to use NFT marketplace. We wrote our own contracts that we launched on Avalanche. We explored several tools on this journey, such as Covalent for NFT indexing, and even implemented the Rarible SDK before we wrote our own smart contracts. Let's take a look at how we use Morales on the back end and examine our use of the Web3 API for asset and smart contract syncing.
So we are using Morales on Avalanche testnet. So the way we are using Morales is we are interacting with the smart contract, listening to all the events of the NFT transactions. And we are using the database that is linked to all the events to cache all the data that is coming from the smart contract. We are also using the Web3 SDK with React on the front end. So with the SDK, we are interacting with all the database, which we are storing users with the description and all related to the user. And also we have separate tables for every event on the smart contract. So because we are lazy minting NFTs, we are storing first the NFT. We are using IPFS with NFT storage to store all the JSON data from the metadata of the NFT. And we are also storing all the transactions it's been done, like items for sale and the items that have been sold. As well, we are storing all the NFT mints that have been minted on the smart contracts, and we are caching all of them in the database so we can query all this data in our front end.
Thank you for that overview of our Morales implementation, Salki. One of the reasons that we built Droppr was to be able to implement features not available on other platforms, such as the ability to filter for real-world asset NFTs. Doing this on Droppr will enable us to unleash the power of Ethereum's asset passports. Hey, Dave, can you give us an overview about our current implementation of smart contracts?
The Droppr system has got three general sets of contracts. We've got the registry with the permissions, which are shared amongst all the other contracts. We have got the sales contract, which is the order book. It contains things like the price of the item for sale. It's got the fees. It's got the royalties. It allows us to have multiple collaborators, so you can have a royalty split, for example. And it also has features lazy minting for the first mint of for the first sale of any token. So the tokens themselves, the ERC-721s, are specially modified to give permission to the sale contract to do that minting during the first lazy mint. In order to ensure that any of the tokens in the system are compliant, the tokens are produced by a token factory contract, and that's it.
We also wanted fine control over collaborators and royalties and to make this configurable at the NFT or collection level. We brought all of our order books on chain, improving security and transparency for all transactions, listings, and bids. In addition to control over payment, we also wanted control over fees and to be able to propose reduced fees based on tokens locked on the platform. We wanted to make sure that we supported critical features not found in other marketplaces and are actively seeking partners to build with. We are looking to expand on the RSK network and would like to discuss future Morales integration with RSK. We're dropping our first NFT project on the platform later this month called Sovereign Degens. Make sure to check us out on the Avalanche blockchain this February.